So we're all up close and personal today.
Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna?
Hey guys, it's your girl Jo, and I'm back with another makeup look today. So this is a very nice Valentine's Day inspired look. It's very pink and flirty and like just simple, really, and it's really easy for beginners, very beginner friendly. All of my makeup looks are beginner friendly because I'm basically a beginner. Well, more like but I'm basically a beginner. I'm not like completely advanced, cut creases and everything, all that every day, but like, hey, very friendly for all you guys who are just starting out with makeup. It's not that hard, so just keep on watching to learn how I did this look. Hey guys, so today I'm doing a Valentine's Day look. I'll be recreating this look on this eye, and it's very pinkish and nice and flirty because it's Valentine's Day. So we're going to get a blending brush, and we're going to use this color as our transition shade. It's like the lightest pink without that, because this is way too light for me, obviously. And you're just gonna basically focus it on like here. It's gonna be the outer corner of, not the outer corner, just your entire lid basically. And you can reapply it as much or as often as you want. And this is gonna be the shade that helps us blend it with all the other shades and whatnot. Now that we have that shade all over basically the top of our lid, we're going to go with this shade, the one underneath it. It's just a little bit of a darker pink, and we're not gonna go as far up as with the other one. We're just gonna do it like right below it. It looks like the same color, but like when it's all put together, it looks like a transition shade. So now we're gonna get this very bright pink right here, and we're gonna start packing this one on like right here, right above the lid of my eye. Just really pack it and make sure that color shows up, because this is gonna be one of like the main colors. Okay, so now that we got that all situated, I'm gonna get this kind of purplish dark pink color, and we're gonna focus it on the outer V of my eye. Okay, now to make my crease more darker and defined, I'm gonna use this purple all the way on the other side of the palette, and we're just gonna focus it on the same area that I focused that darker pink on, just to make sure it defines my crease and that we don't want it to look purple, we still want it to still look like pink. Okay, so now that it's all the colors are in there, I'm gonna get this transition shade one more time, and we're just gonna use it to blend all over my eyelids so all the colors look nice and seamless and just put together, and to make sure that it didn't lose like its pinkness in the putting in the darker colors. Okay, now that everything's all blended nice and pink, I'm gonna use my Take Me Back to Brazil Real edition, and for the shimmer shade, we're going to use this red, like the red shimmer, not like the dark one, but like this bright one right here. And I'm just gonna focus it all like the center of my lid, like all right here. Okay, so now we're gonna get my blending brush and just kind of blend the shimmer into all the mattes, because you don't see it on camera, it's not that well, but it's just like a straight blunt line, and we don't want it to look like a straight line, we want it to look like one seamless eyeshadow look. Now that's all dealt with, I'm gonna need a highlight shade, so I'm gonna use this really light pink. Hold on. This really light pink in the corner right here as my highlight shade, and like it's a pink. Well, it looks a pink in the palette. When you apply it, it applies like very nice and silver. I'm gonna put it right here underneath my eyebrow, arch, and then we're just gonna put it in my inner corner. On my nose, just right here. So it's all one seamlessly nice silverish glow. I have a highlight shade that actually looks very similar to this because I don't want to put my blush brush into the shade. So we're just going to take my Strobe and Glow palette. You know this, y'all see it all the time on my channel. This is basically the only highlight palette I use. So there's this nice silver shade right here that would actually work really well with the other shades. So we're just gonna put a little bit there because I already have blush on because I went to church with like a basic face makeup and everything, so I had most of my makeup on, but I just didn't have highlights. We're just gonna put it right here a little bit, and we're just gonna... Okay, also I applied lip gloss, and then I put some eyeshadow underneath my eye just to make my eyes look bigger and to look can come, you know, all seamlessly together and everything. And that's it, y'all, for this look today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to do more like makeup looks for like holidays. Like I'll probably do maybe like a St. Patrick one or like an Easter makeup look, you know, we'll see. Anyway, I really do hope that you guys like this. It's a very like flirty and girly look, you know what I mean? Something you wear for like date night on Valentine's Day or whatever you're doing, or even if you know you're just staying home and watching Netflix by yourself, you can still pop out for you and, you know, take some nice snaps. Anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends, and turn on that bell button for all my post notifications of when I upload most Wednesdays and or Saturdays. If I miss an upload, I usually make up for that by having 2 uploads back to back in a week. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.
Give it to them, give it to them,